I chose to review MobyMax as a resource to use in my classroom. I have heard from many people that this resource is a great tool to use for differentiated learning, for assigning lessons, and for many different reasons. And I am not familiar with it, so I wanted to learn more about it to possibly incorporate it into my classroom. It is great for K through 8. It has almost every subject. You can enter in your students right over here. You can import them from a doc you already have, or you can import them yourselves. I'm not going to do that right now though. There are many different tools that you can choose from while doing this. So one thing I want to show you is the differentiated learning. When you go to this, you have your students just click on whatever it is, and they have to do a placement test. And that will show you what skills they're missing, and it will start them from wherever they need to begin and build on that. So you can do that with any subject area. Another great tool on this is the assigning lessons. So you can search if you would like your student to learn more about addition. You can search for addition lessons and you can pick which grade level you want. And then you assign it to whomever you would like to assign it to. So that's just a great tool on this site. One other thing that really stands out to me is the data. I know a lot of schools are data driven, and this can give you so many different reports. So you can go to your student dashboard. It tells you how active they've been, how they're doing. It gives you a graph just to see if they're improving. You can pick a custom report. So if you just want to look at sounds, you can choose that. And it's just a great progress monitoring tool, and I could totally see my school using this to progress monitor our students in many different subjects. So this is MobyMax, and I'm very excited to incorporate it into my classroom this year.